Hey guys, welcome back. Now in this one we're not going to be learning a formula per se. Instead, what we're going to be learning is how to check that your formula relationships are doing what you want them to do. Now, in this current format, there are just results. All these numbers, they're just results. You can't actually see how these values link up to each other. Okay? So if I did this number equals to this number, you can't really tell. If that wasn't there, you can't really tell that that's linked up incorrectly. All right? So the way to check how it's linked up is what's called tracing. All right? So what you want to do is you want to go to formulas up here, and we're going to be working in the formula auditing section. So sorry about this little pop-up, but we're going to be working in this section here. All right? So specifically these two buttons, trace precedence and trace dependence. So let's begin with trace precedence. If we look at this number here, 1000, we want to know what this formula is based on. What values were used to calculate this value? So if we calculate trace precedent, it's going to show with a really bright blue arrow that this number was used to calculate this. I don't know why I drew an arrow, there's already one there, right? So that's what trace precedence does. Trace dependence goes the other way. So if we get rid of that, I'll show you how to remove arrows later. If we click on this and click trace dependence, it's going to go the other way, which means this one is, where is it being used? All right, that's what it's asking. So 1000 is being used to calculate 83.3 and 1000. So this is a great way to visually represent how you're linking up your information. Also, instead of clicking and double clicking into each individual cell and making sure it's correct, especially if it's not your document, this is going to save you so much time. All right. Now, once you have these arrows up, if you want to get rid of them, all you got to do is click on this remove arrows button underneath. All right. Now you can do one by one. You can do trace precedent arrows, or remove precedent arrows, remove dependent arrows, or you can just remove all of them by clicking on that. All right, and that's how you do tracing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.